Ultimate Packaging really has sort of been on the go for around about 25 years. We run 24/7, we operate 363 days a year, primarily selling flexible packaging into the fresh and chilled industries. As a wide web printer, we're producing a wide range of products. Customers are demanding quicker and quicker deliveries and shorter runs. Our digital journey really started, say, Drupa, probably about 4 years ago, where we obviously decided to install the first 6600 press into the business. But we took those, the smaller press was put in with a view to obviously installing the 20,000 press. That allows us really to produce most of the flexible packaging specs that we would produce Flexo. We're really developing brand new markets, brand new products, and doing things in a completely different way with digital. I think over the next few years it will come with brands using digital print in a completely different way as never before. Quality and what we can achieve, I think is far better even than Reviewer or HD Flexo. And customers see that as the real big plus with regard to digital print has opened up both the UK market and the global market to us. The really exciting development for us alongside what we're doing with Ultimate Digital is what we've done with Sharp Iris, the workflow that we developed, which we call SmartFlow. The SmartFlow is a complete web to print solution. So what started off as a workflow for our presses has really turned into a digital global agency where we're starting to actually develop workflows where projects are actually printed on different HP presses in different parts of the world. The really exciting thing for us is the amount of brands that are actually approaching us to actually talk about digital engagement, which is something from a conventional point of view you just don't get. A brand called Au Chocolat in the UK, we're printing a range of 25 designs, and the total run length for 25 designs is 20,000 metres. So, if we were trying to do that Flexo, obviously it'd be 25 setup. So that's all being produced on the 20,000. Yeah, all the brands are switched on to what digital print can offer them.
Customers have a very high expectation when they walk through the doors at Waitrose because of the products, because of the quality that we exude, and also the packaging as well. And if we have a premium product that tastes great and the quality is superb, then the packaging should reflect that as well. Through digital, it allows us to bring some newness and some interesting products to our customers very quickly, and it allows us to be a little bit more fleet of foot than what we would have been without that.
So I think it's fantastic, the actual new business that actually is opened up to Ultimate Digital, but it's a very, very exciting journey, and I think over the next year or two we'll really see the benefit of the investment we've made in digital print technology.